Heard the buzz about property claims adjusting? Let's turn that curiosity into a rewarding career at MileHigh Adjusters Houston. At MileHigh Adjusters Houston, we don't just teach the basics, we transform you into the special forces of claims adjusters. Dive into our hands-on training with realistic simulations in our mock-up house and master industry-standard tools like X-Actim 8. Choose from our tailored boot camps, 10, 12, 14 or 16 days, to match your goals. With expert instructors guiding you, you'll gain the confidence and skills to excel in the field. Complete our program and earn certifications in Xactimate Proficiency, Scoping the Claim and Claims Proficiency. Plus, get job ready with our resume templates and job placement assistance. With over 1,350 satisfied alumni and 425 plus 5-star Google reviews, our success stories speak for themselves. It starts with a decision. Take the leap, invest in your future, and join the elite ranks of property claims adjusters trained at MileHigh Adjusters Houston. Ready to change your life? Enroll today at MileHigh Adjusters Houston and become part of the Special Forces of Claims Adjusters.